Wood chops, low to high. My band is on the lower part of the door, just below the anchor or the hinge. I'm going to grab my right hand on the door anchor. My left foot is right on the other handle. I'm going to take my left hand and I'm going to cup it just in front of me. My hips are going to move with me like a golf swing. So I'm going to swing up, look at my handle, come back down, pivot up, but precision points. This right leg here does not move. It's the left leg doing all of the work. My arms stay straight, slight bend in the arms. Wood chop, low to high. Do the same thing on the other side. Find how much tension you need. You may need more, and just move that foot closer to you to give yourself more tension.